Fuck off. Oh my god, that fucking... Hello everyone, I'm Ivor and welcome back to our channel. And it's been 4 months I've been living in this Igor hair since April, so it's time to change. I used a filter on TikTok that changes your hair whenever you blink, and that video went viral. It got like 1 million views for no reason. I don't really understand the TikTok algorithms. It's going to be purple or pastel purple, violet. So firstly, you gotta section it out. In order to get pastel purple, I'm supposed to mix the white color tone and the purple tone. I know it's not locked down, it's not quarantined anymore, but I still couldn't manage to find the thing for the dye. So I actually went to a store, but it sold out. So it's actually a takeaway mushroom soup container. Recycle. Maybe I should test it on my hair, one of my hair. Oof. It's so dark. Try and more white. Here we go. Ratatouille who? Oh my god, it looks like... Oh my god, the bleach. Do not inhale the bleach. It looks like strawberry sorbet or something. To be honest, they look really pink. This time is gonna be so much easier because you're just applying the color on top of your hair. This is not as dangerous as the bleach. Not as dangerous as... Bruh. Fuck. Oh, oh fuck. Every fucking time. Oh my god, this is for real. Fuck off. Oh my god, that fucking... Why do I look like a cosplay character? There's nowhere to
say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Or maybe I'll just wait for the color to wear out after a week because I heard that the color is gonna last mostly 2 weeks. 4 to 6 days later. So this is what it looks like after 5 days of washing my hair every day since I dyed my hair because I didn't like how the bright purple turned out, and surprisingly the bright purple changed into peach pink. I don't understand how this works. Yeah, I kind of like it though. Although I wanted pastel purple, but now it's like pastel pink. I'm not mad. Look, it matches my shirt. I like this so much, but the problem is the color doesn't last long enough. It probably only lasts like 1 week if I wash it every day. And yep, this is what it looks like after only having 1 week of the pink hair. The pink hair color just faded and turned into blonde again. Also because I live in Malaysia and it's too hot to not wash your hair because I sweat. And the hair is gonna be oily as hell. If you look in the bright side, I can just dye another hair color. Probably blue that time? I don't know. What's your take? That's all about you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below. Shout out to... Thank you Lital and Vin and Habiba for commenting. Love you guys.